Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the HBAR charts and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we will cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the possibilities. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto and would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. Now, the reason why I love this exchange is because they allow anybody from anywhere to be able to sign up and trade crypto futures. So if you're from the United States and you want to trade crypto futures, you can do it right here on the Blowfin exchange. And this is where I currently trade my crypto futures as well. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at the macro HBAR chart and see what we've got going on here. So as you guys can clearly see, we had a massive, big ass green god candle back here towards the end of April. And since then, ever since then, it's just been kind of nothing but a slow drop all the way to the downside. But the good thing is we have the total altcoin market starting to pick up right now, which is very, very nice. Hopefully it stays that way. As you guys can clearly see, I've got the total 3 chart open right here, and we have green candles starting to trend upwards, which is very, very nice. Now we do have some midterm resistance levels that we do have to cross here, right around $617 billion, and another one here at right around $641 billion as well. But the big one that we really want to cross here is this $720 billion area way up here. All right. Once we cross this one, we can fully expect that, altcoins will start moving very, very strongly to the upside. All right. So with that said, let's go ahead and go back to the HBAR chart and see what we've got going on here. As you guys can clearly see on the RSI, HBAR is extremely oversold right now, and the good thing is we have now got the RSI and the moving average have finally crossed, and we've got RSI printing above the moving average, which is typically what you want to see with decent bullish momentum. So what I want to see happening here personally is I would like to see price action break this downtrend line that we've got going on here within the midterm here. And if that does end up happening, my guess is we'll probably end up going up in a bullish scenario. We'll probably end up going up to this resistance level. We'll probably end up coming back down to retest maybe this one of these smaller short-term support areas before gaining momentum again to bust through the major resistance level of right around 9 cents or so, and then head up towards the next resistance level here of 10.5 cents. And then once we're at that level, we'll probably end up coming back down a little bit, probably down to, again, right in here, this midterm support area right in here. And we'll probably end up gaining momentum again and going back up to the next area of major resistance up here around 11.8 cents. And again, just continuing the whole thing all the way up and up and up. All right, that's typically what we really realistically want to see. We want to see these higher and higher lows being created all the way up at these midterm support and resistance levels. All right. Now, anything can happen in crypto. We do know that. We also do know that. Crypto has been kind of in a downslope for quite some time now. So realistically, it's kind of time for altcoins to make a little bit of a reversal and start heading back up to the upside. But just in case something stupid does end up happening, if something stupid does end up happening and altcoins end up dropping even more, we want to be looking to hold at this downside level here at right around 6.5 cents. And if that one does not end up holding, we will be looking even lower than that to a even further level, probably down here around the, let's see here, right around the 5.7 cent area. And if that one doesn't hold, then we'll be looking at even further drop, further levels to the downside, which I'm not going to cover today. I'll do that in an updated video if we do end up dropping to those levels. But realistically, as far as right now is concerned, I do not see that happening. But overall here, what we want to be focusing on is we want to be focusing on this current daily candle. It would be very, very nice to see this daily candle gain some momentum and get up to these levels right up here where these daily candles peaked right up in here, right around the 8 cent area. If we can clear that point and we can close above that point, I have no doubt in my mind that we will open the next candle green and hopefully end up breaking past this what do you call it, this midterm downtrend going on right here, and then gaining even more momentum to head up towards this resistance area. And realistically, that's what we want to see. Just take it step by step and go level by level all the way up. All right. So guys, before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys enjoyed this video and feel like you got some decent value out of it, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video to help me out here, and leave me a comment below on your personal thoughts on where you think the price of HBAR is going to go here in the short to midterm. And hey, for those of you who stuck around and watched this video throughout the entire thing, thank you guys for very much for sticking around. I appreciate you guys very much, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos.